If you want to get the absolute best performance from your ASUS TUF VG259QM monitor, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the settings that will make your display look amazing while giving you smooth, responsive gameplay. First, for display mode, I recommend using racing mode. This mode strikes a perfect balance between color accuracy and low input lag, making it versatile whether you're gaming, watching movies, or just using your computer. Next, let's talk about color calibration. Switch to user mode and set the red to 97, green to 94, and blue to 97. This gives you a neutral white balance around 6,500 Kelvin, which is ideal for most uses. For brightness and contrast, adjust the brightness anywhere between 26 and 60 depending on your room lighting, and set contrast to 80. This helps preserve details in both dark and bright areas without washing out the picture. The overdrive OD settings are crucial for reducing motion blur and ghosting. Here's a quick guide. At 60 Hz, use OD20, 120 Hz, OD40, 120 to 200 Hz, OD60, 200 to 280 Hz, OD80. There's even a hidden OD 120 option in the service menu if you want ultra smooth motion. Other key features: set vivid pixel to 0 for natural edges, though you can increase it to 25 if you like sharper visuals. Keep shadow boost off unless you need brighter shadows in dark scenes. LMB, extreme low motion blur, is optional. It's great for fast games but dims brightness. Make sure adaptive sync is on to prevent tearing when frame rates fluctuate. If you use the NVIDIA control panel, try brightness at 45%, contrast 47%, gamma 0.99, and digital vibrance 100%. Adjust as needed to make colors pop. A couple of extra tips. Enable the 280 Hz overclock in your monitor menu for ultra smooth gameplay, or cap your FPS to your monitor's refresh rate if your system can't hit high frame rates consistently. For the most accurate colors, you can even download an ICC profile made for your specific monitor using a colorimeter. With these settings, your ASUS TUF VG259QM will deliver crisp, smooth visuals and responsive gameplay like never before. Try them out and notice the difference immediately.